So today is Twitter Thursday, and we are going to teach you how to use the hashtag #MyAmericus and on Twitter, and also how you can retweet the posts that we have already shared. So the first thing you'll do is log into your personal Twitter, and you'll go to the search bar and type in our Twitter username, which is TWN. You have to abbreviate town because there's a cap on characters, and Americus, of course. And you'll see our profile will pop up. You'll recognize the logo, and it will take you to our Twitter page here, and you'll see frequent posts about upcoming events, videos that we just posted, or just recent news. And so you'll find a post that you really like, and if you want to go ahead and share it on your personal page, that would really help engagement. So the way to do that is to go to this icon here with 2 arrows, and it's called a retweet. And you can put a caption in or not, but definitely recommend it. So let's go ahead and do 8,000 followers on Facebook. Let's keep it up. And then what do I include? Of course, the hashtag #MyAmericus. So I'm gonna click tweet, and this tweet is now gonna be on my personal Twitter. So there it is, and this shows the original tweet. So when people click on it, of course, it will show the original tweet posted by us, and they can comment, share, retweet it, or like it themselves. And right now you see there have been 3 retweets and 4 likes. So we definitely want to drive this number up and get more engagement, so we just have exposure overall on Twitter.